In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get two signatures using Docusign in just 5 minutes. This quick guide is perfect if you're new to electronic signing or if you need a refresher on using Docusign's platform. We'll make sure you understand each step, so let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the Docusign website. If you're not familiar with Docusign, it's the #1 platform for managing electronic signatures and agreements efficiently. Once you're on the website, the next thing you want to do is click on the Login button. This will prompt you to enter your username and password, so make sure you have those handy. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Docusign homepage. This is where you'll find all your tools and options for managing and sending documents. Now you'll want to select a template. Templates make your life easier by providing a preset format that you can use whenever you need similar documents signed. If you haven't saved any templates yet, don't worry, you can create a new one by choosing a document that requires signatures and saving it as a template for future use. After selecting or creating your template, it's time to add in details. This includes specifying the names and emails of the recipients who will need to sign the document. You can also edit any parts of the document that need to be filled out before sending. After filling in the necessary details, click Next to proceed. Now you will see an option labeled Standard Fields. Click on this and it will open a selection of fields you can add to your document. This is where you will be setting up the signature fields. Click on Signature and you will have the ability to drag and drop signature fields onto the document. You'll need to place two separate signature fields, one for each signer. Place the first signature field for signer 1 or recipient 1 and another for signer 2 or recipient 2. Ensure that the fields are positioned correctly so the signers know precisely where to sign. And that's it, your document is now ready to be sent out for signatures. A quick recap, we've logged into Docusign, navigated to the homepage, selected a template, added necessary details and inserted the signature fields. This simple step-by-step process ensures you can gather two signatures on any document efficiently. Once you've finished setting it up, you can click Send and your recipients will receive the document and instructions to provide their signatures. Thank you for watching and happy signing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy guides.